Hey guys, check this out. This is the 2025 Kia K4. This is the vehicle that replaced the Kia Forte. Now, this vehicle is a little bit wider than the Forte and a little bit longer. However, for the trunk space, it's a little bit smaller. It's 1 inch smaller. So what you get instead of that is a legroom on the back seat, which I'm going to show you once we're looking at the inside of this vehicle. Now, if I have to try to describe this vehicle for you, I will not do this vehicle any favor. So let's take a look at this. Now, the design started from the key fob itself. As you can see right there, this is how the key fob looks like. On the key fob, you have lock, you have unlock, you have the trunk, and on the back here, you have remote start. Yeah, that's right. And this one right here is the LXS. So on the K4, you will have 5 trims to choose from. You will have the LX, the LXS, which is the ones that we have here, the EX, the GC line, and the GC line turbo. So we have 5 to choose from. This one right here is the LXS. So the GC and the GC line, we don't have them yet. So the GC line will have its own, the GC line turbo will have its own engine, the turbo engine, which the LX all the way to GC will have a different engine. All right. So when you look at this vehicle right here, as you can see right there, you have a nice LED daytime on lights right there. Right, this is light right there, this light right there, it's really nice. I really like the lights on this vehicle. I hope you can see it very well. And the design of front on this vehicle, everything about this vehicle I really like. The matte black finish right there. So as you can see right there, this is the design, this is the side profile of this vehicle. Now the side profile, it's not like the Elantra really did like your drastic design and lot of things. No, it's not like this one. More settled. You just have a little like curve from here all the way there. So once you get there, it just vanish, and the rest of the curve come back from here and it goes down and it goes all the way to the back. I hope you can see that very well. Now, this is the side of the vehicle. Let me know what you think down below in the comment section about this design so far. The front of the vehicle and the side of the vehicle. But the rear end of this vehicle, this is the rear end. This is how it looks like. You have that the tail lights go all the way from here to there. It's really nice the way it goes down right here. Really nice, right? It's LED tail lights right there. So the rear of this vehicle, it's just square all the way right here. Really clean, really nice. I kind of like it. You have your backup camera here, the Kia emblem right there. Everything's so neat, everything's so nice of this vehicle. And you have a button right there to see the trunk. So as you can see right there, hopefully you can see the trunk very well. The trunk, like I said, it's a little bit smaller than the Forte, but it's because you get more leg room on the back seat than the Forte, which I'm going to show you later on. So you have 60/40 for the back seat right there. This is what you pull to put the wheel seat down. If you have long stuff you want to put in, that's how you put them in right there. You pull those so that you can put it down. You have a compact tire, spare tire on the trunk also, right? So down below here, you have a matte finish, a matte black finish, which is nice. I'm glad it's not glossy, so this one can take the beating of the road better, the matte finish right here. And right here, this is where you get your backup lights when you're backing up. So this is the rear end of the vehicle. Let me know what you think down below on the comment section. Now let me show you the inside of this vehicle. This is how the interior of the vehicle looks like. All right, so this is the door panel right there. Right, so really clean, simple, everything right there. So I like the design of the steering wheel. It's square on top and square on the bottom. At the bottom, let me zoom out a little bit. Square on at top, square on top, so square at the bottom. Let me know what you think down below in the comment section. So this right there, this is where to control your lane keeping assistant, your lane departure warning, everything right there. And this part right there, this is for your connectivity right there. All right, so let me get in and turn on the vehicle so that I can have a better look. Let me start it. So this is how the vehicle looks like when it starts. You have a massive 25 inches. You have 12.5 here for the digital cluster right there, and you have 12 here for the infotainment system. Down here, you have 2 USB-C at the bottom right there. You have your start button right here, your auto hold, your camera here. But speaking of camera, this is how crisp the camera looks, right? And you have multiple view of the camera, and you just take the massive screen right there, which is really nice. So down here, you still have your button, you have your home, you have your map, you have your search button. This is your volume right there. You have your media. You get everything right there for your AC control right there. Well, you have dual AC control on this vehicle also. So right here, this is where you could plug your phone to get your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. On this one, you still have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, but it's wired Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You plug it right here for that, and this one right there just to charge your phone, the other one. So this is how the center console look like. This is it, guys. Let me know what you think down below in the comment section of the design of the front of this vehicle. All right, so let me go on the back seat to show you. Right now, as I am 5'5", the way I sit, it's really comfortable for me right here. This is how I will sit to drive this vehicle. Now let me sit by myself. And one thing with this vehicle, the way you open the back seat, as you can see, the back door right there, there's no handle right there. As you can see right here, the way it is right here, it's not right here, it's up there. So let me know what you think down below in the comment section for that, where Kia decided to put the door handle up here instead down here. Let me know if that's something that you guys like or you don't like it. Either way, let me know down below in the comment section. So this is the rear seat. This is the back seat of the vehicle. Like I said, I'm not a tall guy, right? I'm sitting by myself. I'm 5'5". I have space, and you have 2 USB-C also on the back. So on this vehicle, you have 4 USB-C. You have 2 up front, 2 on the back. It's for people on the back to charge their phone right there. All right. So this is it. Let me show you again the front, the cabin. So this is it, guys. Let me know what you think down below in the comment section of this vehicle, what you like about it. And like I said, they changed the name from Forte to K4. And I made a video, the differences between the Forte and the K4. So go make sure you watch that video, okay? Make sure to subscribe, click the notification bell. And also I'm going to make a video about the 2025 K5. So make sure to subscribe, click the notification bell so you won't miss when I drop this video, okay? So again, I'm going to show the car one last time.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I